Chris from White Bulls here. Welcome back, subscribers. Today we're going to be doing a Wagyu Porterhouse on the Traeger Ranger, and I just decked it out in red. She's looking pretty. So what we're going to do, we're going to smoke it at 230 for probably about an hour. We're trying to reach 130, no sear. We just want it to be nice and tender, money. So we're going to do that, and then we'll get to chopping it, and we're going to show you how to make burritos. We're going to show you how to make rice the real way. We're gonna show you how to do the damn thing. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Alright guys, so you're probably wondering, where the hell is Chris? That's not Chris's yard. You're right, it's not. We're at the TheCraftyCarnivore's house. He's got the pool. It's 95 degrees. No brainer. And this happens to be his Wagyu Porterhouse. So I'm gonna have him give the introduction to this and throw it on.
Have a look at her. We're taking it straight to 130, medium rare, no sear. Let that fat render down.
Time for a smoke bed. We'll be back. Alright guys, it's been about 20 minutes since we put it on at 225. We're gonna go ahead and check that temp. It's already looking like butter on the edges, but it's not Kerrygold though. As close to the center as we can. Thermopro's reading 107-ish. That means it's time to flip it over. So we're gonna do the damn thing. Thermopro meat hook in the building. That looks fantastic. To give you guys a better look before I close her up. I mean, look at this. Already looking scrumptious. That's the word of the video. Alright guys, it's time to probe this. I think we're about at 130. Traeger cherry pellets rocking. It says we're at 133, 134 actually. Let's get you a good look at that. Oh man. We're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna let this rest for about 15 minutes. And then it's getting chopped up. And it's going in burritos. We're gonna show you how to make rice. Nice spread, nice layout for the perfect burritos. Let's get it. Let's take a look at this steak.
All right, so for the beans, we're gonna go Chuhuepa, Puerto Rico beans right here. All right, red kidney beans, Hanovers are the best. All right, adobo, sazon, salt, pepper. That's it. Half a can of water. Let them beans just kind of come to a slight boil. Turn them all the way down to the lowest setting. Simmer them for about 10 minutes. We go.
Wow, look at that. As you just saw those pan over shots, super juicy. Crafty cracked some fresh sea salt over top. We let it rest about 15 minutes. It's time to cut this thing up. It's bone in like all real porterhouses, obviously. So the bones are down here. We're gonna avoid them. We're gonna start from this side, right to left in my case. There's a bone here, of course, too. get as close to it as we can. We're gonna have to cut it out now. You can clearly see where it is. Make sure that you save as much meat as possible. All right, but there's a little bone there, guys, that you want to get out because you will break some teeth. Depending on which way the porterhouse is laying, you won't see it. Look at this. That's going in your burrito, people. You don't need a sear. A sear is great, but when you go to 130 on a cut this beautiful, I mean, who? Just who in their right mind is complaining about that? Get them out of your life. You don't need them. I mean, especially with this. Look at the cap on top. Almost looking like a picanha. Unbelievable. Oh, look at the shimmer. Shimmer and shine. Wow. Alright, we're gonna get this cut up. And we're gonna have Crafty show you how to make the perfect burrito spread. And we are gonna show you how to also make rice. Look at this fat. Ooh. Butter. Literally butter. Wagyu is no joke, people. No joke. Alright guys, so as you can see, you got beautiful, perfect medium rare Wagyu Porterhouse, and I know what the haters are thinking. Oh, why didn't you split that? Why didn't you split that? Well, because they're going in burritos. So I'm just gonna split them now after I cut it. Easy peasy. Bang. So you can separate the two meats if you want, and you know what's what. But look at this, guys. Let me get you one. Hashtag knife fling. I feel like Salt Bay over here. Let's get it going. We're gonna show you Crafty's burrito spread. Now we're gonna put this in burritos. Unreal. No
so
pressure.
the beans have been going for about 15-20 minutes at a low simmer. You basically just want to kind of break those beans down a little bit. You don't want them to be crushed, but you just want them to be soft. Definitely not crushable, kind of like that. So those are done. We'll turn them off. We got the rice going for 15 to 20 minutes. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of long grain or medium grain rice. We're gonna throw some cilantro in there, cilantro, and some fresh limes. And we're gonna make some cilantro lime rice. Perfect pair for these burritos. So stay tuned, y'all. Rice is looking good. Nice and fluffy. We're gonna take a fork to that, fluff it up a little bit better, but in goes the lime and the cilantro, and it's perfect. Ooh.
Cilantro. Beautiful.
So we got our cilantro lime rice. We've got some red onions, some diced tomatoes, some diced jalapenos. A little more garnish on the side, cilantro. Fresh queso fresco, avocado, We got some mango pineapple salsa. So some spring mix. We're ready to hit these things hard. Big giant flour tortillas. And the star of the show. Let's get it.
Alright barbecue fam, so this was clearly a success. We showed you how to build a monster burrito. I mean, all in all, it was an easy cook. We're looking at about 2 hours for all the prep between the steak, the rice, the beans, the cilantro, the jalapeno. Everything is looking great. We got avocado, we got mango salsa with pineapple, we got queso cheese, we got rice with cilantro. This is how you do it. This is how it's done. Got a nice, perfect, medium rare Australian Wagyu. Guys, I don't know how else to tell you, but this is how it's done. And I'm gonna finish it off with some Rivera hot sauce. And this one happens to be bursting garlic. Gonna add that extra hint of flavor at the end. Look at this monster, guys. I'm gonna give you a pan over. Hit that like and subscribe. Show some love. Hit that bell like we're hitting the barbecue game. Best damn barbecue ever. From the Crafty Carnivore spot, Chris from White Bulls, we out.